Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's session I am going to share with you a story. Today we will learn English through the story. This story will definitely help you to improve your English. If you really want to improve your English, so watch this video till the end without skip, because whatever story in this video I am going to share with you, I will share with you with the Hindi meaning, so that you can easily understand, and you can understand, and you can learn to how to make sentences, how to make through the sentences you can make the story. Okay, so a single story you can make through the sentences, how you can add the sentences word to word, add make the sentences, then make all the sentences for the story. So through this video we will learn. Okay, so watch this video till the end without skip, and don't forget like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Okay, so let's get start. As you can see that on your screen, name of the story is that the last letter. Okay, last letter. So let's begin. First, in you can see that in a bustling city filled with endless noise, there lived a reclusive writer named Adrian. Okay, इन हिंदी, एक भीड़ भाड़ वाले शहर में जहाँ हमेशा शोर रहता था, एंड्रियन नाम का एक एकांत प्रिय लेखक रहता था. नेक्स्ट, he had once been celebrated for his extraordinary stories, but now he struggled to write even a single sentence. वह कभी अपनी अद्भुत कहानियों के लिए प्रसिद्ध था, लेकिन अब वह एक वाक्य भी लिखने में संघर्ष कर रहा था. That is that, haunted by self-doubt, he isolated himself from the world. आत्मसंदेह से परेशान होकर उसने खुद को दुनिया से अलग कर लिया. देखिए इसका इंग्लिश क्या होगा. haunted by self-doubt, he isolated himself from the world. Next, one day he received an old and unopened letter with no sender's name. इन हिंदी, एक दिन उसे एक पुराना बिना भेजने वाले के नाम का पत्र मिला. ओके, 5 is that curiosity overcame his fear and he slowly unfolded the fragile paper. जिज्ञासा ने उसके डर पर जीत हासिल की और उसने धीरे धीरे उस नाजुक कागज को खोला. 6 is that the letter spoke of hope, resilience and the power of words to heal broken souls. उस पत्र में आशा, धैर्य और टूटे दिलों को ठीक करने में शब्दों की शक्ति के बारे में लिखा था. 7 is that as he read further, he realized the letter was written by his younger self. जैसे जैसे वो आगे पढ़ता गया, उसे एहसास हुआ कि वह पत्र उसके ही छोटे रूप ने लिखा था. Wow, it's interesting. 8 is that it reminded him of the dreams he once chased and the passion he had lost. इसने उसे उसके पुराने सपनों और खो चुके जुनून की याद दिलाई. 9 is that tears rolled down his face as a spark of inspiration reignited within him. उसकी आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे और उसके अंदर प्रेरणा की एक चिंगारी फिर से जाग उठी. 10 is that night Adrian picked up his pen after years of silence. उस रात कई वर्षों की चुप्पी के बाद एंड्रियन ने अपनी कलम उठाई. 11 is that words flowed effortlessly as if they had been waiting for his moment. इन हिंदी, शब्द आसानी से बहने लगे जैसे वो इस पल का इंतजार कर रहे थे. 12 is that his new story became a masterpiece touching countless lips. इन हिंदी, उसकी नई कहानी एक उत्कृष्ट रचना बन गई जिसने अनगिनत लोगों के दिल को छुआ. 13 is that Adrian finally understood the only things he needed was to believe in himself again. अंत में एंड्रियन समझ गया, उसे सिर्फ खुद पर फिर से विश्वास करने की ज़रूरत थी। द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज हियर दैट गाइस समटाइम्स द मोटिवेशन यू सीक ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट विद इन यू। कभी कभी जिस प्रेरणा को आप खोजते हैं वो पहले से ही आपके अंदर होती है। Okay guys, so today's session is ends here. We'll meet very soon in next video with new session. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and healthy. Thank you for watching.